In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Smartsheet data, Recovery Guide 2026. If you've accidentally deleted a sheet, report, or dashboard, don't panic. Smartsheet gives you a simple way to bring it back using the deleted items area. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to smartsheet.com. This is where everything starts. Once the page loads, sign into your account. You can use your standard credentials or your organization's single sign-on, if that's how you normally access Smartsheet. Keep this part quick. Just sign in the way you usually do, and you'll be ready to go. After you log in, you'll land on the home screen. From here, look to the left sidebar. This is your main navigation. You'll see options like Home, Browse, Notifications, and more. Click Browse. This view is where your workspaces, folders, and sheets are organized, and it's also where you'll find your deleted content. In the Browse area, you'll see a list that includes your workspaces and all the items you can access. Among these, you can locate your deleted items. Click Deleted Items to open that view. This shows things you or your collaborators deleted, depending on your permissions. If you have a lot of content, use the search bar or sort options to quickly narrow down results. Remember that deleted items are only retained for a limited time, typically about 30 days, so it's best to act sooner rather than later. Now select what you want to restore. You can check one item or multiple items at once using the checkboxes. If you don't see the item you're expecting, double check that you're in the correct workspace and that you have access to the item's original owner or workspace. Also, make sure at least one item is selected, otherwise restore options will be grayed out. With your item selected, click the Actions menu and choose Undelete. Smartsheet will restore the selected content to its original location, along with its structure and most associated details. In most cases, sharing permissions, attachments, and comments return with the item, so your team can pick up right where they left off. If a name conflict occurs, Smartsheet may append a number to the title. Rename it as needed after it's restored. That's it. Go to Smartsheet, sign in, open Browse, go to Deleted Items, select what you need, then use Actions and Undelete to bring it back. With these steps, you can confidently recover your work and keep your projects moving.